Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the end-to-end flow of NSK banking application. In this session, we will be creating the customer microservice. Before we create the customer microservice, I want to do something. What I want to do is I want to create a repository in the GitHub. I have created a repository actually with the name called banking repo. Let me show that. I have created a repository in my GitHub profile. So my repository name is banking repo. Now I want to clone this repository. If you want to clone the repository, so here you will be finding the repository details. Okay, you just copy this one, go to your local workspace or go to your computer wherever you have created the local git folder. So there you go and clone this repository. So for example, here I want to create the I want to clone the GitHub repository into this location SB microservice docker. Okay, so you just have to go to this directory. Okay, from in my case I am cloning over here. Okay, in your case you might be like cloning to your workspace location. Okay, so now go here and type cmd. So the command prompt will be open till your working directory, current working directory. So the current working directory is what? SB microservice docker. So we have opened it. Now the next step is what? We have to clone this repository, right? We have copied it. We have copied it. Now I want to clone this repository. So here you can clone in two ways. The first way is that using the GitHub command. So in order to clone any repository, okay, you have to use a command called git clone, and you have to give your repository details. See, you have given your repository details. When I click enter, it will start cloning your repository into your workspace. So it is throwing a warning over here. What it is throwing? You appear to have a cloned repository with the empty. It is saying that you have whatever the repository you have cloned, it is an empty repository only. No problem. No problem. We'll be going to create a customer microservice in this repository only. I hope you understood. Okay. So let me. I'll do one thing. I'll stop over here. In the next session, we will be creating a customer microservice project. Okay. I hope this is fine. Okay. In the next session, we will be creating the customer microservice project. Okay. Thank you.